Hi everyone! Welcome to getimg.ai. Today I will show you how to create stunning AI-generated videos in seconds using the video generator tool. All you have to do is describe your idea. For example, a glowing blue heart shape pulsating in a digital white, soft static glitch bloom effect. That's it. Just a prompt and the AI takes care of the rest. You can generate fully animated clips in seconds and they look like this: cinematic, emotional, futuristic, elegant. Whatever your vision is, abstract, fashion, sci-fi, romantic, just write it out and click generate video. You can also upload your own images to guide the video, as the first frame, last frame, or both. The AI will animate the transition and create something magical between them. It's perfect for adding motion to your designs or concept art. You get full control over format and quality. Choose 9:16 for Reels and TikToks, 16:9 for YouTube, or 1:1 for Instagram. Videos can have different duration time. And yes, you can even generate a custom soundtrack with one click. And here is where it gets even better. You can choose between some of the world's most powerful video models: Google Veo, Runway, Kling, Minimax, and more. Each model gives a different aesthetic, so you can experiment and find your favorite style. This isn't just AI video generation. This is creative freedom in motion. It's fast, it's fun, and it's addictive. So what are you waiting for? Go to getimg.ai, open the video generator, and bring your vision to life. One prompt at one time.